Hello, this is Dr. Prashant S. Acharya. I am the Medical Director of Earth Ayurveda located in Indiranagar, Bangalore. Thyroid. Thyroid is just a gland. It has two types of variants or disorders, hypo and hyper. Hypo is lower functioning of the thyroid and hyper is the higher functioning of the thyroid. But why are we adding so much significance or importance to it now in today's days? If at all I think about 20-25 years back, we hardly used to get thyroid cases in the OPD. But why there is increasing number of patients in our OPDs today? What is the reason? Is it the lifestyle? Is it the food, diet? And why it is increasing only in the urban population, not in the rural population? And why it is increasing, especially the hypothyroidism, which is increasing in developing countries like India? Why not in the West? Yes, it's a question to be answered for ourselves now, to our fraternity. What I personally feel about the whole thing, it is a lifestyle created disorder. If at all you consider all the glands which generates hormones in the body, pituitary we can call it as a president, and thyroid of course is the prime minister, and all other hormones or glands in the body are different ministers handling various departments. When thyroid itself is not working properly, that is under functioning of the thyroid gland, how will all other glands secrete hormones properly? So managing the thyroid becomes very, very important to ensure that all the hormones in the body functions very well. And handling thyroid is a very tricky thing. It's not only medicine, it's total lifestyle. That means diet, exercise and medicine to a great extent. Some people do say that the changing salt with iodine might help. But yes, it's not proven yet. But yes, a good pesticide-free diet and good lifestyle, basically exercises, medicine, yoga, all these things can certainly support it. Along with that, there are certain medications which certainly herbs which certainly help in controlling the thyroid hormone in the body. There are various panchakarmas which help or contribute to the cure of this disease a lot, especially Vamana, Virechana, Basti. Everything works wonders. Yes, a person who presents a symptom of any other hormone imbalance in the body has to be looked in for thyroid first, and the majority sufferers are the females. So thyroid is one thing which has to be paid more attention to, and Ayurveda has an excellent answer for the same. And yes, correcting lifestyle along with certain herbs can be the best answer for the same. Thank you.